Welcome everyone. So today I am going to present 10 quotes from Hamlet, a famous play by William Shakespeare. So without delaying, let us start the first one. Number 1. In Act 1 Scene 2, as King Claudius and Gertrude ask Hamlet to cast off his melancholic mood, Hamlet says in his very first soliloquy, O God, how very stall, flat and unprofitable seem to me all the uses of this world. Number 2. In the same scene, in the same soliloquy, Hamlet accuses her mother of her hasty marriage with King Claudius, and he says, Frailty, thy name is woman. A little month or so, the shoes were old with which she followed my poor father's body. Like Niobe, all tears. Why she, even she? O God, a beast that wants discourse of reason would have mourned longer. Number 3. In Act 1 Scene 5, Horatio was surprised to see the ghost, and he says, O day and night, but this is wondrous strange. Hamlet replies, and therefore as a stranger give it a welcome. There are more things in heaven and earth, Horatio, than are dreamt of in your philosophy. Number 4. As Polonius realizes that there is something strange in Hamlet's behavior, he reports to the king immediately, and he says, Therefore, since brevity is the soul of wit, and tediousness the limbs and outward flourishes, I will be brief. Your noble son is mad. Number 5. Hamlet realizes the real nature of human beings, and in Act 2 Scene 2, Hamlet says, What a piece of work is man! How noble in reason, how infinite in faculty, in form and moving, how express and admirable, in action, how like an angel, in apprehension, how like a god, the beauty of the world, the paragon of animals. And yet to me, what is this quintessence of dust? Man delights not me, no, nor woman neither. Number 6. In Act 3 Scene 1, Hamlet is in dilemma, and he delivers the most famous speech of this play, and it goes like this: To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of the outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing end them, to die, to sleep no more. Number 7. As Hamlet prepares to approach his mother, he desires to chastise her, and he says in his soliloquy, Soft, now to my mother. O heart, lose not thy nature. Let not ever the soul of Nero enter this firm bosom. Let me be cruel, but not unnatural. I will speak daggers to her, but use none. My tongue and soul in this be hypocrites. Number 8. Hamlet is a play of procrastination. Hamlet suffers from this problem. So, in Act 3 Scene 4, the ghost of Hamlet's father appears, and he says, Do not forget, this visitation is but to hit thy almost blunted purpose. Number 9. In Act 5 Scene 1, Hamlet realizes the inevitability of fate and death, and so he takes the skull of Yorick and says, Alas, poor Yorick, I knew him, Horatio, a fellow of infinite jest, of most excellent fancy. He hath borne me 1,000 times on his back, and now how abhorred in my imagination it is, my God jeers at it. Number 10. Hamlet realizes that there is a divine power which takes interest in human affairs. Hamlet says in Act 5 Scene 2, there is a special providence in the fall of a sparrow. If it be now, it is not to come. If it be not to come, it will be now. If it be not to come, yet it will come. The readiness is all. So these are the 10 quotes from Hamlet. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below which is your favorite one. Like, follow, subscribe and stay connected.